this is your son Patrick. Today we are going to make a bouncy egg. Kids, are you ready to make your own bouncy egg? Join me. For this experiment, we need a raw egg, vinegar and a clean glass cup. Let's begin the experiment. The first step is we must place the egg into the glass cup carefully. You must tilt the glass cup here and place the egg in your hand and insert your hand. And now slowly turn it up. Our second step is add vinegar into the cup until the egg is completely covered. Like this. Did you notice that the eggshell is covered with small bubbles? The reason is the vinegar is the acid, the eggshell is made of calcium carbonate. When the acid reacts with the calcium carbonate, it produces carbon dioxide. That's why there are bubbles. Our aim is to get the egg bouncy. For that, the shell must get translucent. It will take 2 or 3 days, so kids, be patient. Now let's keep it aside and let's monitor the next day. This is the 3rd day since I put the egg in the vinegar. See, there are lesser bubbles. Some places are translucent, so it tends to take out. First, drain the vinegar in a cup carefully. Now I'm going to wash it in the water carefully and slowly. Rub the surface slowly. Wash it gently in running water. See, you can also see the yolk, egg yolk. Our bouncy egg is ready. How the raw egg become bouncy egg is when we leave the egg in vinegar for a few days, the vinegar dissolves the eggshell and so the egg becomes bouncy. Lift the egg for a few inches and let it go and watch it bounce. I am a bouncy egg. I am a bouncy egg. See? Our bouncy egg is very squishy too. You want to know what will happen if I throw the bouncy egg from high? Wait, I'll show you now. See, the egg breaks.